Every year, Samsung promises to make your phone smarter, but this time they might have actually pulled it off. One UI 8 built on Android 16 is finally rolling out, and it's not just another software update. It feels like your Galaxy just got a brain upgrade. The kind of update that changes the way you use your phone every single day. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you're loving deep dive Galaxy updates like this, don't forget to like the video, share it with a fellow Galaxy user, and subscribe for more tech stories that actually make sense. Now let's talk about what makes this update special. Right out of the gate, Samsung's Galaxy AI is stepping into new territory. You know those moments when you're on a call but can't quite hear what someone said? Now, you don't have to ask again. Real-time captions pop up instantly, showing every word as it's spoken. And this isn't limited to humans anymore. Portrait Studio has leveled up too. It now recognizes pets. Yep, your dog can finally get the oil painting treatment it deserves. But here's where it gets even cooler. The new audio eraser. Whether you're recording a voice note, a vlog, or even a call, it scrubs away wind and background noise so cleanly that it sounds like you recorded it in a studio. You can use it inside Gallery, Samsung Notes, or even the phone app itself. Samsung basically just built a noise-canceling editor right into the OS. And that's just the start. The new Now Brief quietly sneaks in as one of the most addictive features of One UI 8. It's like your personal smart feed, showing weather, stocks, schedules, reminders, or even parking locations, all available from the Edge panel or Now bar. It's dynamic, it learns from your habits, and it feels like your phone finally knows what you need before you ask. Speaking of smart, Samsung's added automatic translations for emergency alerts. If a message pops up in another language while you're traveling, no problem. The phone just translates it instantly. It's subtle details like this that show how much Samsung is refining the everyday experience. Now, personalization. Samsung has always been the king of customization, but One UI 8 brings a twist. Your lock screen clock now bends around your wallpaper. It literally avoids faces or key subjects blending into the photo instead of blocking it. It's such a small detail, yet it gives your phone a more natural, almost living look. Wallpapers are smarter too. AI picks your best and creates dynamic gradients or patterns out of them, giving you a fresh setup every morning without any effort. When it comes to productivity, this update is full of small but powerful tweaks. You can check stock prices or quick cards right from the Now bar. No need to unlock your phone. Samsung Notes adds floating sticky notes for annotations, reminders, or random ideas, and you can layer as many as you want over any document. File management also gets a glow up. You can now filter downloads by which app they came from. That means no more scrolling endlessly to find that one PDF from Chrome. The Samsung Internet browser also got cleaned up. The menu is sharper, customizable, and far faster to use. Even the calculator app got smarter. You can now use scientific mode in portrait orientation. It's a tiny change, but one that shows Samsung is listening. Now, power users. This one's for you. DeX mode has had a serious upgrade. You can now stick widgets onto the DeX desktop, like having a mini phone home screen right on your monitor. Resolution jumps up to WQHD, and yes, you can rotate the external display freely. And while multitasking, you can pin one app on the screen's edge, keeping it half visible while working in another app. Tap it once, and it jumps back into focus. It feels buttery smooth, like desktop-grade software baked into your phone. Reminders are now cleaner and easier to organize, and you can even hide categories for a distraction-free view. Plus, they now sync perfectly with your calendar, meaning you can drag and drop tasks directly into your schedule. It's one of those "why didn't this exist before?" moments. But the biggest glow up might be in Samsung Health. It's not just counting your steps anymore, it's analyzing your running form, suggesting custom training plans, and even measuring antioxidant levels and vascular load. That's next-level health data that was once reserved for medical-grade devices. Add to that the new bedtime guidance, group running challenges with Galaxy Watch 8 or Watch Ultra, and optional meal logging reminders. It's like a personal fitness coach quietly living inside your wrist. And creators, Samsung didn't forget you. The camera app now lets you customize gesture shortcuts anywhere on the preview screen. In Pro modes, you can finally toggle zebra stripes and false colored displays to nail exposure like a pro filmmaker. And yes, log video recording is now available directly from the main camera mode, meaning you can shoot cinematic, ready footage without external apps. Audio and connectivity got a nice polish too. You can now access Galaxy Buds settings straight from your phone's settings app. No extra app needed. Auracast connections can be shared using QR codes, so you can invite others to join your audio stream in seconds. On the privacy side, Samsung's tightening up its defenses. Secure Folder can now automatically shut down apps, stop notifications, and even vanish completely when locked. Knox Matrix continues to be the silent guardian, auto-logging you out of devices that show unusual activity. Your data stays locked down tighter than ever. Accessibility is more intuitive too. You can now zoom in using pinch gestures from the assistant menu, use keyboard arrows to move the mouse cursor, and pair Bluetooth hearing aids more easily. Modes and routines also feel smarter, letting you automate based on data from clock, calendar, or notes. So your phone reacts to how you actually live, not just time-based triggers. And it wouldn't be Samsung without those small, satisfying touches, like grouping multiple alarms and toggling them all with one tap, or customizing notification pop-ups per app. The weather app also feels almost alive now with realistic animations that look like real-time footage. All of this together makes One UI 8 feel less like an upgrade and more like a transformation. It doesn't scream for attention. It simply works better everywhere. From your pocket to your wrist to your monitor, Samsung has quietly refined how everything connects. And when you add Galaxy AI and Android 16's foundation into the mix, the result feels like a brand new Galaxy experience hiding inside your old phone. One UI 8 isn't just smoother, it's smarter, cleaner, and a whole lot more personal. And trust me, we're only scratching the surface. There are hidden features Samsung didn't even mention in their changelog, and I'll be covering those in the next video. So if you haven't already, subscribe and stay tuned, because the best part of One UI 8 might still be undiscovered.